What's up guys, it's Duly Art here with another video. This one's going to be me drawing 6 different types of anime eyes, and let's get right into it.
The sounds of percussion.
Alright, so the first one I'm going to do real quick is the one that I showed in my original video on how to draw anime eyes. If you want to check it out, I'll put the card at the top right so you can click it, and it'll go into more depth of like how to do it step by step. But for now, these are just going to be some quick examples of the different types of eyes you can draw. And the first one is the basic male anime eye that I tend to draw. Next one we're going to go is Dragonball Z style. And as you notice, the eyes are almost like triangles. Very thick eyebrows that come all the way down. Lots of fold in the middle to show how intense they are. And you'll see that the eyes are pretty flat, except for the fact like there's like a small highlight. But other than that, these eyes tend to be very flat. Yeah, as you can see, there's no pupil. You just draw dark spots. Now the next one is going to be the female type, which as you can see is the exact opposite of the Dragon Ball Z kind of eyes. Female girl anime eyes tend to be a little thicker, more softer, so there's more curves, and you can see the eyelashes. That's why you draw the individual eyelashes, and the eyebrows tend to be much thicker. And where the Dragon Ball Z eyes are more flat, this one has more dimension to it. There's highlights, there's shadows. Usually put more highlights, but I think you guys get the gist of it. Next one is the average middle-aged anime male character. His eyes tend to be a little boxy, gives it a stoic look. Eyebrows are a little bit thicker. And as you will see, the pupils are, iris is much smaller than the anime girl. Usually the anime girls tend to have bigger eyes, and children too, but a grown male character in his middle ages usually draws smaller eyes. And this one I call the Naruto Style eyes. It's a mixture of the basic one that I do, but a little bit bigger. So what you're going to see is the full iris. So that's basically the only major difference. The eyes are more open. Still got the highlights and the little lines in the cornea that are shown, and that's pretty much it. And for the last one, I'm going to give it the generic evil anime character look. And what makes this character look evil is the very small, slanted, thin eyes. So what you're going to see right now is when I draw the bottom lash, how small the eyes actually are. See? Very thin. Tiny pupils. Iris. Can't get all this terminology right. Very slim eyebrows, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment any questions that you have, like the video if you found it helpful, and follow me on Instagram at itsdulyart. And also I'm opening up a Patreon page, so be on the lookout for that for extra content, things like tutorials a week in advance, me working on my comic book series, and other things that you guys can get. And see you in the next video.